medical oxygen has never really been a hot topic before, and sadly that has changed since early 2020. But do you think, like others, that it's going to remain a hot topic for some time to come? Are we seeing real change now in the medical market?
I think the medical market, we are in the situation, in the pandemic situation, where the need of oxygen is very high. Everywhere, the volume of oxygen needed by any hospital in a pandemic situation is multiplied by a factor of six to 8. It means that the demand is extremely high. What we believe for our industry, that even after this situation, the solution, this technology will be required for the future. We believe that it will be not limited only for that pandemic situation, because all hospitals or pharmacists who have living stress to not knowing if they have enough or not enough gas available. For the future, they will take their precaution to have a part of autonomy, if not a whole autonomy, a minimum part of autonomy in case of complete disruption of supply.